Term that if you're not well known with golf, you can get easily confused with maybe basketball. That is a layup. What is a layup? Well, in golf, it's a strategic shot where the player intentionally hits the ball short of the green to avoid trouble. Instead of reaching the green in one shot, say on a par 5, on your second shot on a par 5, you play it safe. When is a layup used? Well, it's most commonly used, as mentioned, on par 5s, long par 4s as well. And most importantly, when holes have a hazard near the green or in your line of play with certain clubs that you can hit. If there's water guarding the green, a player must choose to lay up comfortably with the yardage or stick with the club that they believe can get to the hole. Why are layups used in golf? Well, it's a strategic part of golf. It's very simple. It's to avoid a penalty because of water or bunkers. It's to keep the ball in play. It's to stay comfortable with your wedge distances, and more importantly, to lower the risk of a bigger number on that hole. Sometimes playing it safe can lead to a better score. To give you a simple example, you're on a par 4, par 5, let's say, and you're 130 yards from the green. You try to reach it in 2, but there's water in front. So you hit an 8 iron about 155 yards down the fairway. You now have a simple wedge in. That 8 iron shot was a layup. Where did the term come into play? Well, the phrase layup was used in general English. It's to place something aside or set it up for later use. In golf, it refers to placing the ball in a safe place next to the next shot. The term has been used for decades and become common in golf course design, introduction, more strategic hazards that have forced decision making. Overall, a layup is often the distance between a smart golf or a hero golfer. Did this bring you one step closer to understanding the term layup in golf, or do you think it's just something to do with basketball? Well, as simple as it is, a layup can be almost a 200-yard shot, or it could be a 20-yard shot, depending on the circumstances of your shot. Sometimes you just got to kick it out right in front of a hazard and lay it up from there. You could even have 2 layups in one shot. You never know. Or one hole. That's it for this video. Did it bring you one step closer to understanding golf? If not, at least it can bring you one step closer to getting out there and playing some golf in the near future. Here with the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.